Hello learners, today in this video we are going to learn 8th standard science chapter number 14 measurement and effects of heat. In the previous video we have learned about sources of heat, three mechanisms by which heat get transferred and some effects of heat. So in this session we are going to continuing with difference between heat and temperature and their units. We are also going to learn formulas to convert temperature from one unit into another unit. Before we get started, let's take a look at the agenda. The module of this session is difference between heat and temperature, followed by relation between three units of temperature. In this session, we will get familiar with vocabulary words like kinetic energy, joule, calorie, Kelvin, Fahrenheit and many more. Let's begin with our module, that is difference between heat and temperature. Heat is a form of energy that can transfer from a hot body to a cold body. It has a working ability. Temperature is the degree of hotness and coldness of a body. It rises when heated and falls down when an object is cooled down. It does not have the working ability. Heat is the total kinetic energy and potential energy obtained by molecules in an object, whereas temperature is the average kinetic energy of molecules in a substance. SI unit of heat is joule. Other units are erg, calorie and kilocalorie. And SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Other units are degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Next is measuring device. Heat is measured by the calorimeter and temperature is measured by the thermometer. Next is difference about representation. Heat is represented by letter Q, while temperature is represented by letter T. Let's begin with our next module, that is relation between three units of temperature. Celsius and Fahrenheit are two scales used to measure temperature. The temperature in the centigrade scale will be expressed in degrees Celsius. The temperature in the Fahrenheit scale will be expressed in degree Fahrenheit. The relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit is proportional. Let's see the formulas. First, we will see how to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. The conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit can be mathematically expressed as F is equal to 9 upon 5 multiplied by C plus 32, and to convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius we will use formula C is equal to 5 upon 9 into bracket F minus 32, where F is the temperature in Fahrenheit and C is the temperature on the centigrade scale. And the conversion from Kelvin to Celsius can be mathematically expressed as K is equal to C plus 273.15. So let's summarize what we have learned in this session. Pupils got familiar with difference between heat and temperature with their units. They also got familiar with formulas which we use to convert temperature from one unit to another unit. This is all for today's session. Thank you.